Today we are building a bad guy car. So we need this little part here, which will go right here. Next, we need a blue one to go right here, and a gray one will go here. Now we will put it down. We remember last build today, it needed two of these, but they were white. So it goes in the same spot as last one. So we put it right here. So now we will flip it over. Get this. Next, we'll flip it back over. We'll need this. Now we put this one, this part here. Now we'll do this right here. Now we'll need the other axle. So this we need. So this we put it here, which will go here. Two of these to make the bad guy car. They'll go right on top of the yellow seagull 4. And here you put it. You put it right here. Next, two seagull black 4s go right on the outside. And we will put this right here. Next, we do two of these, which we put right here. Next page we do is, 4 red fenders. That's different than the white ones. The white ones were on the police car, remember? That's what I was saying on the phone. I told that to the people that want to watch it. Money. So now we have these. And one more, which we put here. What the? That is so silly to just one little thing. 4 of these. Now, what we will do is put the white here, which is, I do not know. And so we put 4 of these here. And now, next page, we just need this. Will go. Now we need these. So we put these here. Now we need to make the front, which will be 2 of these. We put a blue like this. to get this part, which is weird looking. Isn't it weird looking? It's really weird. So we will put it on both of these right here. Then this and this, which will be squares for all of you to notice. What we do, then we put them right on here, and we these, which will go on top. And now our next page is to put it on like this. Instead of using the dashboard, we have a grill to go in the dashboard's place, which will go here. Then we flip this over, get this wiggle, then this gray circle will go here, then turn this, then this in the back, right here, two of these grills go in front right here to hold it together. These, which we just found here. Now, what we will need is these go here. Two black ones go here. Then we put the windshield on here. So instead of just making it a convertible like this and then put the wheels on, it will drive like a convertible. But instead of that, it will be like driving with two dots. So like this. Driving. I'm driving. So what we will do is we have two dots here. Now, next is, the wheels. Just what I was hoping it would be. Now we put it here. Here we go. And the last wheel. Next we will do these little dot guys. We'll go here. So why I'm putting these here is because this part is, these black parts are lower, so that if we didn't have it, the roof would go on. So if we do have it, the roof will be on. That's right. So now we need these two guys. I only could find two. So I only could find two, so this guy, this one goes there. This one goes here. Now, here we go. We just need them like this. There we go. Now, the last scene. The guy. Now, so the noise is, what that noise is my sister. That's the noise. Making noise. So now we put the pants on. Now, So what we are on is YouTube. So check all my YouTube videos. And today's YouTube was the police car, which is here, we did today, and Niska. So my name is Caden Hansen Joy Ezekiel. Caden Ezekiel Hansen. And thank you for watching all my YouTube videos. And the most important thing is all this helicopter, the police car, the bad guy car is all from Copa, which is my grandpa. And I miss him very much. He's in Washington. Bye.